Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to relax, and your mind to float. Imagine yourself high above the ocean, perched on a sun-warmed rock. The stone beneath you is solid, grounding, and the salty breeze brushes gently through your hair. The ocean sparkles below, glittering like a field of stars under the sun. You feel the vastness of the sea stretch endlessly before you. Blue sky above, waves dancing below, and you perfectly still in between. You're alone, but not lonely. You are held by nature, by the breeze, the sun, the soft hush of waves below. This is your perch, your pause, your peace. Breathe in the light on the horizon and exhale any heaviness you've been carrying. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, just this moment, this stillness, this magic. Let your heart imagine what dream is waiting just beyond that horizon. What would it feel like to let the sea sing it to life? Allow your mind to soften, your spirit to rest, and your heart to feel free, wild, and tender like the ocean. Stay here as long as you need. And when you're ready to return, bring this peace with you. You are magic. You are beauty. You are the wave and the stillness. Thank you.